Hey everyone, welcome back to Woodworks by Ace. After my first video, the refrigerator cabinet, I had a lot of questions on exactly what a French cleat system is. In this video, I'm going to go over what it is, how to make it, and how to use it properly around your house, around your garage, any use you have for it. So in my previous video, I made these bins that I was able to use a French cleat as the back to hang it up in the drawer. So a French cleat system essentially has two parts. The first part that's mounted to your project, and the second part that's mounted to your wall. Once the two halves are met up, it gives you a strong and versatile hanging and mounting solution for around your garage or shop. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you how I made these cuts on my table saw. We cut our 45 degrees on the table saw, and now it's time to cut them to length, mount it to our project, mount it to the wall, and hang it up accordingly. Alright, well that's the basics of a French cleat system. I hope that answered any questions or comments people had about exactly what it is and what the benefits of a French cleat system are. I just did want to touch on the point that you can buy pre-made bins, plastic bins that will hang up on this French cleat system, or you can go ahead and start making stuff like I have for my silicone, for my hammers, my pen holder, my saw holder. It's just so versatile and so useful that it just makes sense to tackle it in any garage or wood shop. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And lastly, please subscribe if you want more material like this.